Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Once again, welcome back to RH Educational Channel. This is ninth video of counting number series from 81 to 90. In previous classes, we already got rid from 1 to 80 numbers and we acquired good knowledge how to use them in Arabic language. Anyway, today we will gain knowledge about numbers from 81 to 90. So let's begin the lesson. Now see 81 number. For 81 number we apply in Arabic Wahidun wa Thamanun. Wahidun wa Thamanun means 81. So look at the example 81 braids. For 81 braids we can apply in Arabic Wahidun wa Thamanuna khubzan. Wahidun wa Thamanuna khubzan. Now see 82 number. For 82 number we apply in Arabic Isnani wa Thamanun. Isnani wa Thamanun means 82. Look at the example 82 braids. For 82 braids we can apply in Arabic Isnani wa Thamanuna khubzan. Isnani wa Thamanuna khubzan. Now see 83 number. For 83 number we apply in Arabic Thalathatun wa Thamanun. Thalathatun wa Thamanun means 83. Look at the example 83 braids. For 83 braids we can apply in Arabic Thalathatun wa Thamanuna khubzan. Thalathatun wa Thamanuna khubzan. Now see 84 number. For 84 number we apply in Arabic Arba'atun wa Thamanun. Arba'atun wa Thamanun means 84. Look at the example 84 braids. For 84 braids we can apply in Arabic Arba'atun wa Thamanuna khubzan. Arba'atun wa Thamanuna khubzan. Now see 85 number. For 85 number we apply in Arabic Khamsatun wa Thamanun. Khamsatun wa Thamanun means 85. Look at the example 85 braids. For 85 braids we can apply in Arabic Khamsatun wa Thamanuna khubzan. Khamsatun wa Thamanuna khubzan. Now see 86 number. For 86 number we apply in Arabic Sittatun wa Thamanun. Sittatun wa Thamanun means 86. Look at the example 86 braids. For 86 braids we can apply in Arabic Sittatun wa Thamanuna khubzan. Sittatun wa Thamanuna khubzan. Now see 87 number. For 87 number we apply in Arabic Sab'atun wa Thamanun. Sab'atun wa Thamanun means 87. Look at the example 87 braids. For 87 braids we can apply in Arabic Sab'atun wa Thamanuna khubzan. Sab'atun wa Thamanuna khubzan. Now see 88 number. For 88 number we apply in Arabic Thamaniyatun wa Thamanun. Thamaniyatun wa Thamanun means 88. Look at the example 88 braids. For 88 braids we can apply in Arabic Thamaniyatun wa Thamanuna khubzan. Thamaniyatun wa Thamanuna khubzan. Now see 89 number. For 89 number we apply in Arabic Tis'atun wa Thamanun. Tis'atun wa Thamanun means 89. Look at the example 89 braids. For 89 braids we can apply in Arabic Tis'atun wa Thamanuna khubzan. Tis'atun wa Thamanuna khubzan. Now see 90 number. For 90 number we apply in Arabic Tis'un. Tis'un means 90. Look at the example 90 braids. For 90 braids we can apply in Arabic Tis'una khubzan. Tis'una khubzan. Now revise the lesson. Wahidun wa Thamanun. Wahidun wa thamanun means 81. Ithnani wa thamanun. Ithnani wa thamanun means 82. Thalathatun wa thamanun. Thalathatun wa thamanun means 83. Arba'atun wa thamanun. Arba'atun wa thamanun means 84. Khamsatun wa thamanun. Khamsatun wa thamanun means 85. Sittatun wa thamanun. Sittatun wa thamanun means 86. Sab'atun wa thamanun. Sab'atun wa thamanun means 87. Thamaniyatun wa thamanun. Thamaniyatun wa thamanun means 88. Tis'atun wa thamanun. Tis'atun wa thamanun means 89. Tis'un. Tis'un means 90. Now I want to test your knowledge that how much you gained and understood the number from 81 to 90. So see the video carefully 3 to 4 times before giving answer and tally them in descriptions. So the first question is, which one is number 87? Which one is number 87? Options are A. Wahidun wa thamanun, B. Thalathatun wa thamanun, C. Khamsatun wa thamanun, D. Sab'atun wa thamanun. Second question, which one is number 81? Which one is number 81? Options are A. Thamaniyatun wa thamanun, B. Khamsatun wa thamanun, C. Wahidun wa thamanun, D. Sab'atun wa thamanun. Third question, which one is number 88? Which one is number 88? Options are A. Thamaniyatun wa thamanun, B. Arba'atun wa thamanun, C. Ithnani wa thamanun, D. Thalathatun wa thamanun. Fourth question, which one is number 84? Which one is number 84? Options are A. Wahidun wa thamanun, B. Tis'atun wa thamanun, C. Ithnani wa thamanun, D. Arba'atun wa thamanun. Fifth question, which one is number 82? Which one is number 82? Options are A. Tis'atun wa thamanun, B. Ithnani wa thamanun, C. Tis'atun wa thamanun, D. Khamsatun wa thamanun. So today you gain knowledge about numbers from 81 to 90 as much as necessary. I hope this tutorial video will be valuable for you. If you don't like this video, no problem, but if you like, please click the like button and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much. See you again.